This is program Photoscape version 3.5. If you show picture, you will go to Viewer, Editor. You can edit of your picture. Choose Picture. Resize is scale down or scale up of picture. Bright color. You change bright and color of your picture. Auto level. Auto level is level of picture, low, medium, high. Auto contrast is contrast color. Sharpen, you change sharpening of picture. Filler is changing picture in form as pixelization. Bloom, you change light of object's picture. Backlight is changing background of picture. Round is subtraction of angle. Margin is border of picture. You can change color of margin. Frame line. Different form of margin is frame line. Object. You can add picture, speech, balloon, text, line, symbol on your picture. Cut. You can cut image. Tools. Paintbrush. You can use mouse wheel up, down. Red eye correction. You can remove red eye. Patch editor. You can edit a lot of image. Page. You can arrange of your picture. Many types of page. Combine. You can unify picture. Animate GIF. You can add a lot of picture. Show picture is animation. Print. You can print photo. Slider. You can add white picture. Screen capture. You can save picture on your desktop. Capture full screen, capture window, capture region. Color picker. You should color by your fountain pen. Low converter. You can change file name. Rename. You can change picture name.
sun, 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 sun.